Okay, what's up? Another unboxing video today. We're going to be looking at replacement lenses, right? I don't know if you guys ever buy a decent pair of sunglasses. These Under Armour battle wraps are pretty decent. Later I found out they're actually women's, but I don't know, man. They look fucking fine to me. Anyway, they've been really durable. I'm a truck driver, so this is a necessity, having sunglasses and eye protection, or else you can get into a wreck. Now, the lenses from it originally, they weren't very great, to tell you the truth. I don't think they were polarized or had any type of protectant coating or anything, but at this point, let's see if you can get a real good idea here. Those are scratches along with some finger smudges, but they're deeply scratched. So what I did is I ordered some new lenses from Apex. That's these here, just to go over it real quick. I know I hate guys who talk and jibber jabber, but just to look at these lenses before we open them up, they were $52.99, Polarized Pro replacement lenses for Under Armour's battle wrap. The Pro costs more. I got the purple ones with the green frame, buddy. You know that's player, gotta be. Lots of colors. I'm surprised at how much they cost, but look, here's the thing. If I can get a decent pair of maybe even possibly better lenses than Under Armour came out with originally, the good thing about these is you could buy parts for them. Okay, same with the Oakleys and stuff. Something breaks, you could buy a new one, and it's not like the cheap shit that breaks and you can't fix. I like the frames. I'm gonna save $100 by buying lenses instead of a whole nother pair. So, still, at $52, I was pretty damn surprised. So let's see if it's worth the money. We'll get this out of the frame, and we will read just a little bit here. And here we have it. Now, the first thing you'll notice when you open up, let's see if I can get this in focus. I don't like companies that do this. Want a free pair of lenses? Step one, log into Amazon account and give it a 5-star seller review. That's bullshit, right? So when you go and you look up these lenses, of course they're getting good reviews because they're giving them away. That's almost $60 they're giving away to a purchaser if they put a 5-star review. Now they could give it 0 stars if that's even possible, but give it a 5 so they could get free lenses. You see how that works? That's bullshit. And a lot of them companies that are so-so, they do this, and it's just dishonest. You know what I mean? We all go over the reviews to make sure we're buying a good product. That's why we're on Amazon, because we think we're being smart and we're trying to buy the best shit that we can for the best price that we can, so we can laugh at all the fucking knuckleheads that go and pay way more money than us. Right? It's how we do it. Don't be looking at my Franken-thumb. I dropped a motor on it many years ago and it almost fell off. So let's get right into it, okay? I don't really like going over the cards. Here's your freaking card. You know, some people like it. I guess you could pause if you'd like. And there's some more bullshit. Maybe I'll regret not reading it, but I'll deal with that then. Here's your bag that it comes in, like you guys even care. There's your bag. All right. Let's get into the actual deal here. I like that they sent it in the protective case, right? Shit, yeah, that means they're not going to get jacked up in the mail. I can dig that. I'm 100% sure that's wrapped into the product price. Even, the lenses are wrapped inside of a wrapping, basically. You know what I mean? Comes in a bag like that. What's this here? Why would I need this? I guess those are from my sunglasses. Okay. I could dig. And now that, see, as a sticker, okay. This is cool too, because if, let's say I have a couple different lenses I want to buy, I could just keep my other color that I like in here, and I could just switch a room. You know, if I want to get super fashiony and match my lens color to my gear, which I don't do. So, but still, people do that, and that's cool. I could put my old ones in there too. Maybe I break the new ones. Who knows? I like that. So they're getting a 5-star on that for sure. Packaging so far is great. Let's see what the fitment is like, because I've never bought lenses before, and I'm kind of worried that they're not even going to fit, and I'm going to have some freaking problems sending them back. As you can see in that video, we can go back to it. It most definitely said they were for the battle wrap. So, shoot, man. Is this the right one? They look like they're the right ones. I'm just going to be putting my fingers all over them. Come on, snap it in there. Boom. They fit real snug. Real snug. And that purple looks good with the green, right? We'll work on getting the finger smudges off as soon as we get it all in there. Now, hey, those were our super tight fitment. They were harder to get these in than it was to take the original lenses off. This one right here seems to be actually a little smaller. That's kind of weird. Well, maybe I said that too soon. I'm going to try this a different way. I probably should have read. They probably say, hey, put it in this side first or something like that. And you know how we are. I don't need no stinking directions, right? Hey, all right. I don't have a lens wipe, so I'll just use the bag. That should be good enough, right? I hope so. And then we'll take a gander, motherfucker. So far, so good. Let's see if I can switcheroo this. You guys see my ugly mug. What up? Okay. You know what? It's still pretty dirty on the inside of the lenses, but this is the moment we wait for, ain't it? And we want to see what the difference is between the ones that originally came with it, because in all honesty, these should be much better. I mean, I doubt that Under Armour put $50 lenses in these some beaches. Okay. Let's see here now, buddy. As you can see, hold on, let me see if I can get you guys a little bit of an idea of what I'm trying to do here. If you see those big windows behind my TV, that's outlooking the water in the northwest. So that's Seattle on the other side. I'm just using it to kind of look outside to see nature, to see the water and stuff. And I mean, they're fine. I don't know what exactly I would be looking for besides a clear, sharp image. I think, you know, they look polarized. I get that look of polarization. They're fine. They're fine. They're a lot like the lenses give me the same sense of sight as my Oakley straight jackets. I think that's what they're called. And that's a very expensive fucking pair of sunglasses. That was like $300. Compulsive, right? Be buying shit. Okay, so with that said, let's get off my gross face. Or maybe I should give you guys more of a close-up of the lenses and what they look like. Nice tight fitment. No gap. I think they're a little tighter than the other lenses were. Maybe that's just in my head, but I feel like they're so tight they've kind of changed the shape right here of the glasses. It's not a bad thing, at least not yet that I could say. And it could be because I'm wearing a hat and I got these damn things on there. America. Yes, my friends, they work. Am I blown away with the sight right now? No, they're just polarized lenses. So I guess really what we need to do is an update in like 6 months or something and see what if the coating lasts. I'm pretty hard on my sunglasses. That's no joke. So I toss them around. I always got them dangling. So I got these things around my head. I like to make them dangle. I start working outside, doing shit, and the glasses are whacking around. And that's just how it goes. I'm not going to let the sunglasses be my fucking ruler. You know what I mean? I buy shit because I want to use it. And yeah, it's a good idea to try to treat stuff the best that you can, to take care of it. But I'm not going to make it ruin my day by trying to be ultra sensitive to my expensive shit. You know what I mean? There's guys out there like that, all meticulous with their stuff, and they don't really get to enjoy it as much because of it. And that's just kind of my opinion. This is not that great of a view for you guys. So in conclusion, let's talk about it. Grim Frost, Loki mask. In conclusion, I'm going to have to say, was it worth it? I guess so. But time will tell if they last. I do like the case. I can't complain about these Apex lenses at all. They had great fitment. They came with a nice case. They had a little bag for my sunglasses. They come with a thing letting you have the possibility of getting a free pair of lenses. And I don't agree with the falsifying 5-star reviews, but it is what it is. They're still giving you don't have to do it. They're not forcing you to do it, but it's not very honorable. Good case, good lenses. What do you mean? I think they should be more like $20, but I bought them, so I guess it works. All right, that's all for today, you guys. Let me know what you think, and have a fucking great day.